Philippines is a friendly, close neighbor of China and also an important partner for the Belt and Road Initiative.
Itong pagpunta ko ngayon dito, if you want to use an idiom, I'd say it was a windfall. I met the premier, then right after we went to another room to meet the president. Separate talks, but dito sa isa hard sell, yung isa naman about the things that they have promised us. And I'm very happy that they are sincere and they are really they're there to comply with their commitments to us.
Today will be signing the agreement on economic and technical cooperation between the governments of the Republic of the Philippines and the People's Republic of China.
One thing is very clear to me, that they have the money and they want to share it. The rationale behind it is really China would want a peaceful region because a peaceful region translates into more prosperity for China. And China is very liberal and generous. We already had about 100 million coming in, and they have promised us something like another 500 million. And of course, they are starting to, it's in the blueprint, I don't know at what stage it is, but they will start on the 2 bridges that will span the Pasig River. These 2 bridges are gratis. It's a grant. It's no payment, so to be donation. But the other projects, the railway, they are very eager to start. They want to start this year. And I hope that everything will go on smoothly. At least before the end of the year, we see an effort on both sides to start on the project. We have always been very thankful to China for its generosity.